Today we are going to discuss about the glycolysis numericals. The first numerical is, which of the following enzyme catalyzes the first step of glycolysis? Answer is hexokinase. Why means the first step is glycolysis is glucose to glucose 6 phosphate. Glucose 6 phosphate, right? Glucose to glucose 6 phosphate. The enzyme is useful is hexokinase. Hexokinase. And the next numerical is, what is the substrate is used in last step of glycolysis? Answer PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate, because substrate means phosphoenol pyruvate, then the product means pyruvate. Pyruvate, right? And the next numerical is, glycolysis end product is. Glycolysis end product is. Glycolysis end product is glucose 2 pyruvate. Glucose 2 pyruvate, right? First step is glucose and the end product is pyruvate. End product is pyruvate. And the next numerical is, where does glycolysis occurs? Glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Glycolysis is also known as EMP pathway. EMP pathway. EMP pathway, right? EMP pathway. EMP pathway. EMP pathway full form is, EMP pathway full form is Embedden Mayer of Parnas. Embedden Mayer of Parnas. And the next numerical is, glyco means glucose. Glyco means glucose, right? And the next numerical is, 1 NADH is equals to 3 ATPs. 3 ATPs. Adenosine triphosphate. ADP to ATP. This process is seen in glucose to glucose 6 phosphate. Glucose to glucose 6 phosphate. Glucose to glucose 6 phosphate. Because glucose structure is having 6 carbon atoms. Glucose 6 phosphate means it want to having on 6th carbon phosphate group. And the next numerical is, ADP converts to ADP. For this ADP to ADP, this is 1,3-5-phosphoglycerate to 3-phosphoglycerate. Because this phosphoglycerate means they having 3 carbon atoms, and first carbon atom 1 phosphate group, and third carbon atom 1 phosphate group. 3-phosphoglycerate means on third carbon there is a phosphate group, but here is only 1 phosphate. Because of that, ADP to ATP. ADP to ATP. And the next numerical is I told now. Answer is glucose to glucose 6-phosphate. Phosphoenol pyruvate product is pyruvate. Pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate to pyruvate. This is substrate, this is product. Glucokinase in presence of hexokinase in liver that takes place. Where there is no glycolysis takes place. RBC, red blood corpuscles. Red blood corpuscles, RBC. And the next numerical is glycolysis is in all organisms. All organisms. And the next numerical is glucose is a monosaccharide. Glucose is a monosaccharide. This means gap between carbon atoms. Gap between carbon atoms means, suppose example 1,3 bisphosphoglycerate. Bisphosphoglycerate means the gap between one carbon and third carbon in middle second carbon. This is the meaning of bisphosphate, gap between carbon atoms, where H2O will lose. H2O is lost when 2-phosphoglycerate to phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate. Which enzymes helps in glucose 6-phosphate to fructose 6-phosphate? Phosphohexoisomerase. Phosphohexoisomerase. Which reaction does DHAP mean? Dehydroxyacetone phosphate to glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. It is a reversible reaction. Reversible reaction means DHAP is converted into GA3P or GA3P converts into DHAP. Right? Lysis means breakdown. Lysis means breakdown. Thanks.